Cayman, open up a path.
Captain, prepare nerve stimulant. Extracting now.
Yay! I found an island!
Commander!
It's your turn now. You'll never find me.
Careful!
They're here?
They are everywhere.
No, no. Where's Bonnie?
Above you. My turn.
Wait! I'll finish this with my own hands to avenge my daughter.
We know you'll never stop fighting.
I'll stop when they're all dead.
Origin has fallen, its denizens fractured. Recruit a former companion and liberate the planet. The cinders of hope rests in your hands.
We study the universe with logic and reasoning.
I could have flown this bird better asleep.
Oh, I doubt you'd make it to Ocelot City in your current state.
You don't look like the type to break me out. Honestly, why'd you come?
You've seen how Origin was reduced to rubble. This planet is our last hope. I want you to lead us and wipe out the Astra.
You saved the wrong guy. I'm just a criminal.
I know you had been hunting the Astra. With the data you have and a new research team, we can track the Astra.
You've been with the army too long. You know I'm still a bounty hunter. You'll have to make a better offer than that. I don't want to have anything to do with you after you told me you joined the Coalition.
People join forces and then go separate ways all the time. I only took the best option available to me. Here is my offer. These are your robots. They've been held as evidence. If you cooperate, take them. They'll be good assistance.
Master! My goodness, you're alive!
It is so wonderful to see you again! Please, allow me to conduct a thorough health check for you, so I can provide you with an optimal health plan.
I see you got an ace up your sleeve. Alright, I'll take your offer.
This is also for you. Starting from tomorrow, I will send people to help you rebuild your city.
Phase activation key. Now there's the tree I know.
Hello, I'm so glad to see you again.
They didn't wipe your memory? Fantastic. As you can see, the city's already overrun. We need a recovery plan to restore Ocelot City as quickly as possible.
Of course, Ocelot City has no government. You can start by razing the old buildings and relocate the underground
Good idea. I've been wanting to do that for a decade.
Let's start from the Bounty Hunter City Hall. It's under that Space Jazz Bar. Follow my guidance and demolish the Nat King Cole pub, which is... The rescue team is about to exhaust the emergency food reserve they carry. We can reclaim some land inside the city and build our own farm. Now you can harvest the crop. A gas well provides energy for our city.
What's going on?
Alert! Unknown threat detected on the plaza above us. Risk level 3. Please take immediate action.
Unknown threat. Rude little bastards. Good. It should be a good warm-up exercise after being frozen for 10 years.
Nuts! Get off my tail! Help! Is there anyone? Help!
This voice. Why does it sound so familiar?
Four heavily wounded, and 3 killed.
How could they have evolved so much? This was supposed to be a small combat and...
Don't kill me! I don't want to die!
Who is it?
Rob 1!
Scanning. Rodent mutant from planet SR388. Wanted fugitive. Aggression level 2. Status. Extremely frightened.
I know who this is.
Don't kill me! I don't want to die! Huh? What you looking at?
Is this... Faye? What's it called again?
My data shows his name is Fluffy. You took on this bounty worth 200 Talak.
Ah, yes, I remember now. Been 10 years and you survived, huh?
Get your hands off my head! I'm warning ya, I could have handled it without you if y'all hadn't butted in. I would've... Huh? What's that smell?
Dried hog meat, Mr. Fluffy. Would you like some?
Meat, meat, meat!
Don't come any closer, please.
Oh my god, it's been so many years since I last had such a large chunk of meat. Oh.
I recommend letting Fluffy stay with us.
Not happening. I will not become your captive again. Nuh-uh.
Well, we can do this another way.
What? What do you want? Point that gun somewhere else before... Ooh, ah!
A number of people were rescued with Fluffy. They propose repairing the infantry barracks to train volunteers into soldiers. You have built an infantry barracks. You may now start training your soldiers. The northern area of Ocelot City is already rebuilt. You may recover the electric generator for the city. I have dispatched Rock 2 to inspect the old radar system in the northeast corner of the city.
Hey! It's in good condition, but the area has an Astra stronghold, much larger than the one we just cleared. It's too dangerous to deploy our soldiers now.
In that case, I recommend building a Titan. With a Titan, we can greatly reduce our mission time, and now please build a Titan dock following my instructions. Now you have built a Titan, we can march. You need a hero to lead the army on a marching Titan. Please select a hero.